Welcome to Some Dude's Kitchen. I'm just some dude. I have some corn chowder going over here on the stove. So that way the next few days I can spend my time focusing on Thanksgiving prep. Since I do have a chronic illness, dealing a lot with like nerve pain and body pain and joint pain, I like to start preparing early so that way things can just be cooked off the night before and day of. So today I'm going to be preparing the pie crust and the pie filling. Right, and then again, since I am, my body just hurts. So we're going to be making the pie crust in the food processor. This will be my first time making it this way. Alright, so first thing we need to put in is all of our dry ingredients. So we have 1 1/4 cup flour. So I did whole wheat. And then I did the 1/4 in coconut flour because coconut flour is sweet and it'll help bring out the sweetness of the pie later. And then we need 1 tablespoon of sugar. I am using coconut sugar. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix. And then 1 stick of cold butter chopped. And then you'll want to mix it until it starts to crumble. Just like that. And then put in cold water, 1 tablespoon at a time, and don't go over 3. And then when it starts to ball up like this, you're done. And I'm gonna throw it in a container and put it in the fridge to roll out later. Welcome back to Some Dude's Kitchen. It's cloudy out today, so I have to have some of the kitchen lights on. So the lighting's not the best. But we are going to be rolling out the crust that we made yesterday and cook it off. So first you want to make sure your oven is at 350 degrees. And then you want to set up. We're going to do that wax paper trick again. So wax paper with some flour down. I'm going to throw the crust on it. A little bit more flour on top, another piece of wax paper, and then roll it out. Less like this. This is such a hack for me. This is my second time ever making pie crust, so yeah, it's thick in the bottom, short up on the sides, you know, whatever. But one thing you do need to do before you put it in the oven is score it. And then we're going to make the pumpkin pudding filling for this. So we're going to throw this in for 11 minutes to start.